Fine. Initially, you will be getting little bit easier or quite simple straight away questions, right? But this is not a case every time. A, C, F, J, O, question mark. A, B, C, D. So U, S, V, T. Yes, most of you are writing. It is U, that is correct. Right. Still, those who are trying to understand the logic, for them, just go through the logic. So what is the relationship between A and C? So if you add 2 to A, you will get C, right? So that is third number. Fine. Then further, if you see the relationship between C and F, so there you have added 3. Then from F, J, it is at a distance of +4. From J to O, it is at +5. So obviously the next one should be the sixth one. If you add the sixth one, so here is O, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sixth one is U. So here U is expected, right? And that is here nothing but your answer, option A. Therefore, answer is A. Fine. So this could be the answer. Now EQ, GS, IU, KW, question mark, A, B, C, D. So MX, MV, MY, MZ. So what is the answer? Yes, most of you are writing option C, right? So let's see how it has arrived. So EQ, GS, IU, KW, and here will be your answer. Fine. So if you find out the relationship between the first one, so E and G and I and K, and no doubt here the first letter, right? So this relationship is developed by the difference of 2. So if you add 2, if you add +2 to the E, then you will get G. G +2 is I +2 is K +2 will be here M, right? So K, L, M. So second is M, therefore M. Now again there will be a relationship between this Q and S and U and W, and obviously the last one, which is the second letter of your answer, right? So Q plus again 2 will give you S, +2 will give you U, +2 will give you W, and therefore W +2 will be your Y. So here it is Y, and therefore your answer is MY, that is option C. So here it is C. Fine. So this is the way by which you can get your answer. If someone wants the screenshot, they can. Okay, next. So question number 5. So let's go again through the somewhat same kind of question. LM KN JOIP question mark A B C and G. So A is HQ, GR, RH and RG. What is your answer? Yes. So here the answer is no doubt HQ. Most of you are getting it. So LM KN JOIP, and here will be answer. Again, in this case, you have to find out the relationship between the first letter of each of a pair. That will generate the first letter of your answer. So what is the relationship in between this? L plus 1 will develop the next one, which you can sorry, L minus 1 is developing K, minus 1 is developing 1, J, minus 1 is developing I, and therefore minus 1 should develop the H, right? So this could be the first letter. Now next relationship is in between M, N, O, P, and no doubt here it will be. Right, so M plus 1 is N, N plus 1 is O, plus 1 is P, plus 1 is Q. And therefore, here you will require the HQ, which is your option A. Right, so A is your answer. Fine, so that is about the logic behind that answer. Now, NB divided by OA, comma, QA divided by RD, comma, TH divided by UG, comma, question mark, option A, B, C, and D. So option A is WK by XJ, YM by ZL, XL by YK, and NM divided by ZA. Yes, most of you are getting the correct answer. So answer is option A, WK divided by XJ. So again, what is the relationship in between this? So to find out it, again you have to write only the numerator and then denominator and find out the relationship in between each of these letters, and that will give you, let's say, NB. I will just show you QETH, and here will be your answer. And again, here I will write now the denominator OA RD UG, and here will be the answer. So you have to find out the relationship in between the numbers. So N Q T, and next one will generate your first letter of answer, right? So N plus Q or N minus Q. So here it is N plus Q. So if you consider N plus 3, then that will be your Q. So again, Q plus how much will be T? So Q plus 3 is again giving you T. And likewise now these three, that means here must be a relationship of plus 3. So T plus 3 is here the W, no doubt. Fine. Now this one, B plus something is E plus something is H plus something will be the second letter of your answer. So B plus here, B plus E. So how much is the difference between these two? So B plus 3, again 3 is E, E plus 3 is H, H plus 3 will be, no doubt, it is K. So your numerator is WK. Now see in the options, as such there is no other WK at the numerator. So straight away you can go for this one. Even there is no need to go for this particular answer, or let's say further measurement, further solution. So your option A is the answer of this particular question. Fine. If someone wants to find out relationship in between these, so in this way you can find out. So O and R. So what is the difference between O and R? Again, O plus 3 will give R. R plus 3 will give you STU. 3 plus will give you U. Right. So here again plus 3. Likewise here A plus 3 is your let's say G. Likewise, right. So you can get the answer for denominator as well. So 7 number, AK EO IS question mark QU UE, option A, B, C and D. So LV, MW, LM, MV. Why don't you recheck? No, lot of mixing in the answer. Okay, so
Dhruval, you have any query?
Yes, sir.
Ask then.
Sir, I didn't understand the sequence in 7th question, sir. Sir, can you repeat it?
AKEOIS question mark QUUE
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, let's find out. So A, K, E, O, I, S, here will be answer. Q, U, U, E. So again, you have to find out the relationship between A, E, I. That will give you the first letter in answer, Q and U. So here the relationship A plus 4 will be E, plus 4 will be I, plus 4 will be now obviously I, J, K, L, and M, that is M is the first letter, right? And the same relationship is existing in between these. Let's find out Q and U. So Q, after Q, if you go for let's say 4 letters ahead, so it is your U, right? And therefore again here the plus 4 is existing, so this is valid. Now next one, you can get the relationship between K, O, E, S, here your second letter of answer, U and E. Fine. So again, here you can, I think I have, here it is not U, it is A. Otherwise, U plus nothing will come E, right? So let's find out what is the relation and accordingly we will correct it. So K plus, how much is the 4? So K plus, I think again, K, J, L, M, O. So it is plus 4, right? So plus 4, that means the again plus 4 is existing. So O plus 4 is yes. Now yes plus 4 is STU. Here, so this is to 1.